What's up guys, welcome to another video on my channel. So today I will show you how to use DeepSeek on your computer, and also I will show you how to download DeepSeek model to run it locally. And as well as you want to download the application of DeepSeek. So yeah, I will show you different way to use DeepSeek in just a minute. Okay, so you know that DeepSeek has been around for more than 2 weeks, and it is like an atomic bomb to the AI industry. So okay, so it is very famous right now. By the way, first thing first, it is from China. So if you're worrying about data storage stuff like that, yeah, you need to find another solution. Okay, so it is a Chinese company, so the data will be stored in China, and there will be something about user data also, so you need to consider it before trying to use it. Okay, so first thing first, if you want to use DeepSeek on the web, you can just log into your Google account and you can start using it right now. For example, I have my Google account login, and then I can click this button to start. Okay, so it will verify my identity. Okay, so verify finished, and now we can click this button, login with Google account, and maybe you need to confirm that you read and consent the privacy policy also. Okay, so now we need to click here, login with Google, and select an account. So I have multiple accounts here. By the way, I will select my main account and give access to DeepSeek. So we access to my database on Google. Okay, and click continue. So that's done. So now you can use DeepSeek on the web. So these are two models here, DeepThink R1 and Search. Normally we will use DeepThink if we want to ask it about something. So tell me about okay, so we can press enter. So this is how you can ask DeepSeek, and it will think and it will explain what it is thinking. So it is very useful for us. For other chatbot, we just ask and they give us the answer, and they do not tell us what they are thinking. So it's a little bit difficult for us to follow. Okay, so maybe in the future they will add our action or human action into their thinking. So it's kind of interesting. Okay, so you read here. Okay, I need to explain the solar system. Let's start with the basic. Obviously, this is just a short prompt, so it is not a good one because I didn't give any details or any purpose of my prompt. But it should be okay, and we got the answer here. So explanation about the solar system, got cosmic neighborhood, okay, planet. Okay, so it quick and fast answer. By the way, if sometimes you get some busy server or stuff like that, you need to refresh or ask again because it is very famous now and more people are using it. So yeah, it could be busy. Okay, so this is the first way to ask DeepSeek, and it can translate your text on, so it can summarize, do all the stuff like other chatbot. Okay, so if you want to search on the internet, you can enable the search button. Okay, and there's an option here. If you want to extract text from a PDF file, stuff like that, you can click here at this PDF button, and then you can attach a PDF, and it will extract it and attach it, and it's good, super good, very good. Okay, by the way, we can close it right now. So this is how you can try it on the web. But if you want to use it on your Android phone or iPhone, you can just select the button here. So there is a QR code here, but actually it is nothing. It just redirect you to the App Store or Google Play Store. So if you want to use it on your phone, you can just scan the app right here with the QR code here, or you can just open CH Play or Apple Store to download the application. Okay, and you need to log into your account also. So these are two ways to use DeepSeek. By the way, there is another way, is to use DeepSeek locally. If you want to do it, you want to download a third-party application, which is LM Studio, and it is free studio. So you need to go to this one, lmstudio.ai, and then you want to select the version for your Windows or Mac OS or Linux here. I already download a version for Windows, so it is on my computer. Okay, so I will open it right now. So the first step, you need to go to this website and download LM Studio. it is free to download. Okay, but at this time only. I have no idea how. I have no idea about the future. Okay, so we can open it on my computer, and it is LM Studio on my computer. So we have the chatbot here. So I have a chat. So whenever I want to ask something, I can select a model here. I already download DeepSeek R1, this still Nguyen 7B, which is the smallest model of DeepSeek. So the response is very slow because it is kind of a children. So it is a child. It is not super smart humanity. Okay. By the way, so the next thing you need to do in LM Studio is to download the model you want. So you can click here at the Discover button, and there is some option here: Best Smart, Most Like, and Most Download. So you can click on Most Download, or you can type here DeepSeek. So they have four model here. So this is the one that I already downloaded. You need to select it. You see here some architect and parameter and start and number of download and last update. Okay, so we can click here. You have the button here, download. So this is download button. And I can select the model, DeepSeek model, and we can load the model here. And remember to load it, okay? And we can send. So now it is running on my computer, meaning that it is locally. It will not connect to the server, so my data is safe. So this is how you can use DeepSeek on your computer, okay? By the way, it is very slow. You see that? Because this is the smallest model of DeepSeek. If you want to go faster, then you need to go to the internet. So use the version on the web. It will be faster. Here it is, will be faster. Alright, so that is how to use DeepSeek in different ways. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like the video, just hit the like button. And if you're new here, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.